For joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 Mustang Premium Coupe in race red with black leather interior, seating for 4. This has a 2.3 liter Ecoboost engine. It's a rear wheel drive with an automatic transmission. It also has navigation as well as reverse camera and a deck lid spoiler. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have a nice little bin here, so if you want to put items in there, and you also have the release for the trunk, and there's your lighting controls. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it is your volume control, cruise control, media, and dash controls, as well as navigation and hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. We're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, and you can also toggle through. It's just letting me know that my door wasn't quite closed, so let's do that. And you're seeing your media choice at the top there, and your steering wheel feel and your drive mode. In the center, we have the heated steering wheel icon that's at the top there. We can go into audio and go into our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. Climate, you're going to see that you have dual climate control for both driver and passenger. As well, you've got navigation, and you're going to see the map come up for that. And you can put the vehicle in reverse. You're going to see your backup camera view. And there you go. And then you've got your settings. So again, you just touch on whatever you want, and you have automatic updates and so forth. There's your volume and tuner, and so you have heated and cooled seats for both passenger and driver, as well as your climate control. You have your AC and max AC, as well as the front and rear defrost. And there's your engine start stop button, hazard lights, traction control. There's a steering wheel feel and drive mode. And so when we press on those, that's what you're going to see on the dash changing. And as I go through, sport steering, comfort, normal, and back around again. And then for the drive mode, you're going to see that on the left there, normal, my mode. And you're noticing that they're changing as I toggle through as well. Sport, so your dash has a customized look, track, drag strip. And then as I toggle through again, we're going to get snow wet, and then it comes back around again. You have a USB as well as a 12-volt down there, automatic shifter, your emergency parking brakes beside you. You have a couple of cup holders, your ambient lighting, those are the rings down below. You can open up your armrest from either the driver or passenger side. There's lots of room down there, plus a 12-volt and USB outlet. You have a locking glove compartment, and you've got your logo for the Mustang there. Auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls. 18-inch wheels. Body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. You have a deck lid spoiler, and just above your pony is where your backup camera is located. You also have backup sensors on your bumper and dual exhaust. And then when you're ready to open up the trunk, all you have to do is double click your fob. You can also release it from inside, and then you just put your hand underneath and lift right up. And it's quite roomy in there as well. You have it nicely carpeted, and then when you're ready to close it all up, simply put your hand on the top, pull down, and it's now securely closed. And then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. It's great to drive a Mustang, but especially one in race red, and bring your friends along. So I've powered the seat ahead and brought the back of the seat forward. You now have access to the 2 seats in the back, which are a 50-50 split. So you simply pull the tab and bring the seat down. You now have access to the trunk, and then pop it back up into the upright position. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And on the back of the seat, slim pockets, the clip to bring it forward, and seatbelt minder. Tail lights, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.